As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, have you been looking at new grills lately? I'm trying to decide between the Char-Broil Performance Series and the Napoleon TravelQ.
Oh yeah, I've seen those. What are you leaning towards?
Well, the Char-Broil has a larger cooking area, like 475 square inches, compared to the Napoleon's 285. I do like the side burner and 4 burners on the Char-Broil, especially if I'm cooking for a crowd.
That's a good point. The Napoleon is definitely more portable, though. It's only about 20 pounds, while the Char-Broil is a hefty 85. Are you planning on taking it camping or tailgating?
Not really. Mostly just for backyard BBQs. I like that the Char-Broil has porcelain-coated cast iron grates. Seems like they'd be easier to clean.
The Napoleon has cast iron grates too, but they say they're wavy and a little harder to clean. But it can still provide good sear marks.
The Char-Broil also has a higher BTU rating, 36,000 versus the Napoleon's 12,000. I guess that means it gets hotter faster?
Probably, yeah. But the Napoleon might be more fuel efficient, since it uses less gas.
True. One thing I noticed is the Char-Broil has LED illuminated control knobs, which is kinda cool for grilling at night.
Fancy! The Napoleon doesn't have that, but it does have folding legs for easy storage.
The price difference is something to consider too. The Char-Broil is around $370, while the Napoleon is cheaper, around $224 right now.
Yeah, that's a significant difference. And, the Napoleon is on sale!
Exactly. I guess it really comes down to whether I prioritize size and power versus portability and price. I might prefer the Char-Broil's extra space and features.
Sounds like a good fit for backyard grilling. But don't forget about the Napoleon. Its size and portability are great if you decide to take your grilling elsewhere.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.